Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing, review and demonstration of this new Fuji spray gun. Model number it's MPV8 right there. Let's just open it up. Let's see what's inside. Right away you're going to have your manual right there. They sent me another needle. This is a 1.4. Nice. This is gonna work for the clear. I like to use a 1.4 for the clear in most cases, but real nice. And there's the spray gun. Real nice finish. This one has a 1.3. Real nice. Let me open it up so you can see from the inside. Right there, 1.3. I'm gonna be trying this gun out with some metallics. Let's see how this gun performs on metallic paints. You got yourself the cup. And I believe that's it. Let me just open it up. And you got yourself the tools to disassemble and to clean the gun. Real nice. And yeah, that's it guys. That's all comes inside the box. But let's just put this gun to the test. Let's put some paint on it. Let's start spraying. I'll be painting this bumper cover, so let's just start by applying some adhesion promoter with that Fuji spray gun. Let's get started. Again guys, I'm not focusing on how I prepared this bumper cover. I have several videos on that. I'm more focused on how this spray gun performs. Alright, I applied 2 coats of the adhesion promoter, waiting 20 minutes in between each coat. 15 to 20 minutes in between each coat. So now let's start applying the base. there's the first coat. And for the gun, that Fuji MPV8, its performance is excellent. It's turning out to be a real nice job. Its fan pattern is wide. It's laying the metallics down flat, that's what we want. So it's working real nice. This is a 1.3 tip that I'm using right now, and I have everything wide open. Everything is wide open. I haven't closed anything up. I opened it up to see its performance, and its performance is working real nice. Let me just apply 2 more coats, and I'll bring it back when I'm gonna start applying the clear with this gun. Let's see how this gun lays down the clear. There it is, 3 coats of base. Again, the MPV8 by Fuji did an excellent job on the metallics. Real nice, laid it down flat. Really nice. Let's see how this gun performs with the clear. I'm gonna leave the same settings, everything wide open. Let's see how it is. There is the first coat, and for the first coat of clear with the Fuji spray gun, not bad at all. It did a real nice job. This is the first coat, guys, so did a real nice job. Let me add 2 more coats, make it 3. We'll see the finished bumper cover. Let's see how smooth this spray gun left it. But overall, so far, it's looking good. It's looking real nice. Performance of the gun is real nice. So let me just add 2 more coats, and I'll bring you back. There it is. There it is. Real nice. Now, let me tell you one thing about the Fuji spray gun. That the finish it gave me was like factory finish, which is excellent. Now I know which gun is for me to get a factory finish. It gave me the exact orange peel of factory. Perfect. This is gonna be my go-to gun for factory finishes. Nice. And there it is, guys. There it is. This will be it for this video, guys. I hope you now saw how this Fuji MPV8 performs. If you want a factory finish, there it is. Get yourself this Fuji spray gun. It'll give you a factory finish. So this will be it. Thank you very much, guys. Share the video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also, hit the link below so you can go see this Fuji spray gun, and they got so many other spray guns, guys. So go ahead and go look at them, and this will be it. All right, guys. Thank you, and God bless.